Welcome to your Miami Trainers Weekly Update. Join us this week for webinars, Agent 3000, Matrix, and so much more. For information, be sure to register by visiting miamirealtors.com/calendar. Now, for our tip of the week. Have you seen emails, the pop-up message in MLS, and information regarding Open House Showcase? February 13th to the 23rd, 11 days of the busiest in South Florida. Join us and start planning now and participate. South Florida Open House Showcase. Adding your listing is easy. For details and information, visit miamirealtors.com/open house prep. Instructions and information are on the page. To make sure your picture is shown, follow the instructions found there as well. Thank you for being a Miami member.